you like these printable tabs and words right now for free, keep watching. Hello, my name is Tina, I'm head of design of VectoriaDesigns, and today I have another freebie for you. Actually, I have 6 pages of freebies for you. These tabs come in handy in lots of crafts, and I added loads of words in 2 colors. All this comes in one PDF, just print the pages that you like. The link is below, just opt in and get your free printable. I think we all agree that crafting just feels better in the community. So go ahead and click that share button right now and make 3 of your crafting friends a little bit happier today. And now let me show you how to craft with these. So let me show you what pages you're gonna get. You're gonna get 2 pages with different types of tabs. So these have smaller rounded corners on both sides, and these have a bit larger round corners but on one side only. I printed these on 160 grams paper, you know that's my favorite weight. I included some inksaver pages too, so they're just black and white. And I printed this one on craft paper, just to show you. And this one is a little paper from a crafting magazine, and I just entered the size of this page in my printer options, and I basically told it fit to page, and there we have it. So I just want to show you, you don't have to print full size every time. These are so cute too. And what you're gonna get too are words. So all kinds of words, journaly words that you can cut out and use everywhere. And I have them in black and white too. Now I understand black uses up a lot of ink, and that seems very scary, so don't use this if you don't want to, of course. But I made the black background of these text strips a bit more grey, so it's more like a chalkboard black color. So that's all you're gonna get. And let me show you what you can do with these. So I'm going to start with this one. First I'm going to trim all the edges. The next thing I'm going to do is totally optional. I'm gonna make a score line where I want the folds to be. And you can just, of course, do that with your hands. But this makes it just a tad easier to score them right before I'm going to cut them. And this way I can make a bunch of these at once. And now I can carry on cutting these out. And now you can easily bend them in half. You can leave the tab as it is now, but I like to use a 1/4 inch hole punch. And it doesn't have the same rounding as this corner, but it's pretty close. I kind of like it, like this. And just punch the corners. And there you have it, a very nice tag. And of course, I wouldn't be me if I didn't use a bit of ink on the edges. But of course that's totally optional also. This and a bit on the top. But before I'm going to apply this to one of my journals, I'm going to add a word, some text. Ooh, I like this one. So a very beautiful one. Today is my day. Just going to use a glue stick, easy peasy, to stick that on there. How beautiful is that? Right in the center. And if you like, there's room for one of these smaller ones. Heart, smile. Ooh. Now let me show you the other one. I already cut this one and folded in half. And for this one you can use your 1/4 inch hole punch very well. It really fits the corners. Just nip out a tiny little bit on all the sides. There, look how pretty. And let me show you this one. with a darker ink. If you want to keep it a bit more modern, don't do this. See, the ink gives a very nice shade on the edge. I love it. So, and here are two very pretty tabs. Let me show you how to apply them. This one has a word in the center. So if you do that, make sure it pops out, because otherwise you have a tab for nothing. So for this one, I'm going to use a very small double-sided tape piece, or just use some glue stick, of course. And I'm going to put some glue stick in the middle. Now you can say, why don't you use glue stick all over? That would be easier and faster. Yes, it does. But I like the stickiness of this. It sticks, it doesn't move anymore. Maybe I'm paranoid, I don't know. And just add the tab where needed. There. Look at that, how pretty is that? And for this one, well, let me try it all over here and see if I am paranoid for nothing. So I'm just going to use this glue stick all over. No, Tina, you don't need double-sided tape. Let's see, let's try this one here. Oh, I'm very much in love with this journal. I made a tutorial how to make this one. I'll put a link below. And then you can make it too. So let me apply this one here. Beautiful. Oh, I love this, yes. So bottom line, you don't need this. This is pretty okay too. I am seriously digging these. Okay everyone, I sincerely hope you love this freebie as much as I love it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share with 3 fellow crafters. Let's all craft together. And I wish you a truly beautiful day. Bye everyone.